Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to set the temperature on your Honeywell thermostat for 2025. If you're tired of feeling too hot or too cold at home, this step-by-step tutorial will have you sorted in no time. Honeywell's 2025 models are super smart and user-friendly, making temperature control a breeze. First off, locate your Honeywell thermostat. It's usually mounted on a wall in a central area of your home. Make sure it's powered on. If it's a battery-operated one, check that the batteries are fresh, or if it's wired, ensure it's connected to power. Step 1. Tap the screen or press the power button to wake it up. You'll see the home screen with options like current temperature and mode settings. Step 2. Navigate to the main menu. On most 2025 Honeywell models, this involves swiping or tapping an icon that looks like a gear or settings wheel. It's intuitive, so don't worry if you're new to this. Step 3. Select the temperature adjustment option. Look for Set Temperature or Thermostat Settings. You might need to choose your desired mode first, like heating, cooling, or auto, depending on the season. Step 4. Use the up and down arrows or the touchscreen slider to set your preferred temperature. For example, if you want a cozy 72 degrees, just adjust until it shows that number. Step 5. Confirm your changes. Hit the Save or OK button to apply the settings. Your thermostat will then start working to reach that temperature. If you encounter any issues, like the screen freezing, try restarting the device or consulting the user manual. These Honeywell models often have helpful troubleshooting guides built in. And there you have it. You're all set. Setting the temperature on your Honeywell thermostat is that simple and can make your daily life so much more comfortable. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more home tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.